Hi, I'm Tim, and today we're going to show you how to properly install your safety wall padding. I've got Bobby here with me, and together we're going to give you step-by-step instructions for a simple, quick, and safe installation. For an installation beginning in the corner of a room, start by placing a mark on the wall at the top of where the panel will be mounted. ASTM recommends mounting the panel at least 4 inches above the finished floor, so for a 72-inch panel as seen in this tutorial, your mark should be 76 inches from the floor. Next, mount the provided trim piece to the wall roughly halfway up the measured panel height. This non-weight-bearing trim will alleviate wrinkling and enhance the overall appearance of your mats. Pre-drill holes at all 4 anchor points in the panel before mounting. Now that we've installed our trim and we've pre-drilled our holes, we're ready to begin installation. What you'll need, the materials are wall anchors, a small level, a drill with a Phillips head bit, a general purpose or a masonry bit, depending on the type of wall you're using, a tape measure, and you can use construction adhesive, but that's optional, it's not necessary. So when you're determining your wall anchors, the type of wall will really go a long way in determining what you're going to use. And our preferred anchor is from Hillman. This is a 1.5-inch anchor. You can get this at your local retail hardware store, or it can be included as part of your purchase. Align the panel on the wall using the top and side marks as a guide. Mount the top corner of the marked side first, then place a level along the top and sides before securing the remaining anchors. Repeat the pre-drilling process for all remaining panels and secure tightly against the first panel to ensure level alignment when mounting. Here we have our finished product up on the wall. Again, this is a simple, quick, and safe way to install your wall padding today. I'm Tim. Thanks for watching.